Greetings from the future of luxurious travel. This article examines the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. Its sleek and modern aerodynamic exterior, with its streamlined hood, crisp body lines, and Volvo's iconic Thor's hammer LED headlamps, defies the conventions of traditional motorhome design and ensures a gorgeous and futuristic appearance. This RV's next-generation hybrid electric drivetrain is more than simply stylish. It combines an electric drive system for quiet, environmentally friendly city driving with a low-cost combustion engine for long-distance travel. This solution combines electricity and sustainability with integrated solar panels on the roof and regenerative braking technology. It welcomes you with a cockpit that resembles a high-end SUV. A floating 15-inch touchscreen running the most recent version of the Android Automotive OS sits in the core of Volvo's iconic minimalist design. This screen acts as the command center for the car, managing entertainment, navigation, and RV information like battery life and water tank level. The best possible comfort for long-distance travel is ensured by the superb ergonomic leather upholstery of the driver's and front passenger seats, which also boasts heating, cooling, and massaging capabilities. Naturally, Volvo cars are equipped with a 360-degree camera system and LiDAR. The grandeur of Scandinavian style is masterfully captured in the main room. A serene and spacious ambience is produced by using high-quality wool blends, environmentally friendly materials like Nordico, and accents of light ash or birch wood. When parked, the living area is comfortable. Versatile sofa seating can be relocated and has a slide-out capability to increase the available room. A full-height glass roof and large panoramic windows let in plenty of natural light, while at night, adjustable LEDs provide a cozy ambient lighting. When you're on the road, the bedroom is your little sanctuary. A cozy queen-size bed with an excellent memory foam mattress is located at the back. A simple twin nightstand with a concealed USB-C charging connector is part of the design. A smart storage wall, a flat-screen TV, and an adjustable skylight for better ventilation or night sky viewing might be included in the bedroom for a 5-star experience. The tiny but luxurious bathroom is a testament to Volvo's painstaking attention to detail. Anticipate a lighted mirror, a contemporary sink, a water-saving toilet with designer features, and a walk-in shower with a high-pressure rain shower head. The entire area is decorated with high-end materials and brushed metal, giving the impression that it is a boutique hotel bathroom. Let's finally take a look inside the kitchen. With energy-efficient, modern features like a seamless refrigerator/freezer, an induction cooktop, and a useful sink, this kitchen was probably created with traveling cooks in mind. You'll always have everything you need to make delectable meals wherever you go thanks to ingenious counters and concealed storage. More than simply a car, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a futuristic house on wheels that blends technology, sustainability, and elegance to deliver an unmatched vacation experience. Are you prepared for your next journey?